Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are getting issue with Windows 11 update pending or error, or if you get restarting your PC gets update but it's not running or can't skip it. So I forced add-on it. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and go to File Explorer. Open it. Go to this PC. Go to your main local disk C and go to Windows. Go to software distribution file folder, software distribution folder, double click on it and go to downloads. You want to delete this all guys. Right click, delete it. Now go to settings, search menu and type settings. Open it. Click on download and install guys. Now this will update. Now this is running guys, check it. Now this is downloading guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. I hope this tutorial will definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.